Taylor Swift just roasted herself, and fans are loving it. In a promo for The Life of a Showgirl, she plays both Director Taylor and Showgirl Taylor. Director Taylor says, "We're elegant. We're luxurious, standing in front of the most beautiful pink vinyl." Then she adds, "What's going on with the posture? It's giving no girl, not showgirl." Showgirl Taylor enters, glitter flying, awkward poses. Director Taylor yells, "Elegance. Charm. Not that." She whispers to the crew, "She's got cat hair all over her. Is there a school we can send her to?" Then shouts, "Come on, honey. This is show business." Showgirl Taylor fumbles, even knocking over paint buckets. Finally, Taylor plugs the album, The Life of a Showgirl. The Crowd Is Your King edition drops October 3rd, only at Target, with a giant poster. Her 12th studio album captures the joy and energy of her era's tour. The Life of a Showgirl arrives October 3rd.